Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple, delicious garlic parmesan rice. If you hear a dog in the background, ignore it. I have horrible neighbors and hey, there it is. So these are my ingredients. I have a lot of garlic, scallion, butter, thyme, and Parmesan cheese, as well as my rice right here. You can use your preferred rice. So first I'm going to wash my rice. You already know, if you're an islander or if you grew up in the house with your grandmother, you know you wash your rice. So I'm going to wash up my rice just like this. And basically you want to just wash it until your water runs clear. It doesn't have to be super clear, but I do this about 3 times and then I'll just go on from there. Alright, so to my melted butter, I'm going to add the rice just like this. I'm doing this so I could toast up the rice, give it a little, toastiness to it and more flavor. That's unsalted butter, by the way, and it's about 3 tablespoons. So you want to toast this up for about 3 to 5 minutes. My stove is on medium. You don't want this on high heat. You will burn the rice. It's very easy to burn it. So you're not going to see a lot of, steam and things coming from the skillet right now. Next, you want to add all that garlic and scallions. I'm telling y'all, the minute it hit the pot, the fragrance is just like out of this world. It smells so delicious. So you want to mix that all together and get it nice and toasty. Next, I'm going to add my fresh thyme. If you don't have fresh thyme, use dry thyme. You don't like thyme, use whatever herb you have. You literally cannot mess this recipe up or screw it up. So next, you want to add some salt and pepper because that's all we need, right? We have all those herbs, the Parmesan cheese. That Parmesan cheese was actually the Parmesan cheese from the bag. Don't use the stuff that's in the bottle. The what is that? The Parmesan cheese that you sprinkle over pasta. Don't use that. Mix that up, add your water just like this, and mix everything nice and get it together. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Once it comes to a simmer, as you can see, it's the grated Parmesan from the bag. You want to add your Parmesan cheese, mix that in. You also see that I don't have a lot of water in here. You don't want to add too much water because then your rice will overcook. It'll be too much water and your rice will be sticky and overcooked. Mix it up, cover it, allow it to cook, and then this is what it looks like, you guys. Perfect rice every single time. I love rice. I love cooking rice. It's cheap, dirt cheap, and you can feed a lot of people with just a $1 or $2 bag of rice. So you want to fluff it up just like I'm doing here, and that's it. You can serve this up with fish, chicken, or some eggs and some vegetables, and that's, lunch or dinner. You don't have to put meat with this. You could put some steamed vegetables and you're good to go. Or some eggs and eat it in the morning, or some eggs and eat it for lunch with some tuna. Plenty ways. But if you enjoyed this recipe, let me know what you think down below, and thank you for your support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.